Hey, what's you doing, guys? I hope everyone will be fine. I think everyone will be fine. Say hello, boys and girls. So I go by Vicky and you can call me Master Vicky. And today in this video and we're going to discuss the how to speak in English confidently and fluently. And then so guys, you will fancy this video and do the comment below and like, share, just follow. And could you please hit the bell icon upcoming my videos. Then guys, today I would like to let you know and how do we talk in English. But we don't need grammar to speak in English. Just to speak in English whatever you have to say. Guys, do the create a lot of sentence in your mind and that too in English. And actually I would like to let you know, and if you wanna learn and speak in English and create the sentence in your mind and then speak English and fluent in your daily life, but you know not how to create a sentence in your mind, we don't know English, and how should we do? So guys, in my opinion, you have to catch a basic rule of English. And for an example, you have to start a basic rule of English. You have to start a tense rule of English normally. According to the tense, you have to make a little sentence in your mind and then you have to try to speak in English confidently and fluently. Initially, you will not understand English, and then what do you have to do? So guys, only do the practice a little bit grammar rule and speak in English a little sentence in your mind. And then you have to try to speak in English confidently. You have to make a long sentence in English and then try to speak in English confidently and fluently. If you will not practice this language, otherwise you won't be able to speak in English ever. Understand? You better understand. And thanks for watching and like, share, just follow. And could you please hit the bell icon upcoming my videos. And then guys, and follow me, Master Vicky.